Oops. Okay. Now, I know this is a hexagon, and so that's a shape you know, but we do not have a formula for hexagon. So you're going to have to break it into shapes we have formulas for. So it looks to me like they've already kind of divided it for you. It looks like they've given you this triangle, which is probably congruent to this triangle, right? And then in the middle here, you have this rectangle. So it looks to me like you're going to use formula for a rectangle and formula for a triangle. So your rectangle, that's what I like to do first, the easy one. You can do whatever you want in real life. It's up to you. But I like to do the easy one. So formula for a rectangle, you have 8 and 19. This answer you need to write inside the rectangle. Yesterday there were a lot of people that I wanted to help them and I couldn't because they hadn't written their numbers inside the shapes. It makes a huge difference when it comes to what I can do to help you. So then you have your triangles. So you're going to need your triangle formula. And your base is 19 and your height is 4. And here. And then you're going to add them all up. Number 3, it looks to me like you have a half circle. And a rectangle. Sorry, that's really loud. So for your rectangle, you're going to use the rectangle formula. And for your half circle, you're going to use the circle formula. Now, a lot of times we forget to divide by 2 for the half circle. If you don't divide by 2, it's not going to be right. Hopefully, you write your numbers inside that half circle. You catch yourself and remember that it's a half circle, not a whole circle. The other thing is for your radius, the diameter is 15. So if the diameter is 15, your radius is 7.5. Now your answer is going to have a lot of decimals. My suggestion is just to use 3 for pi. If I can see it on your work, I'm not going to count it wrong. But it's going to be a 4 decimal place answer. So, watch that when you do that. Make sure you divide by 2 for your circle area. Now, number 4, it calls it a composite figure. We're actually going to learn about these next week. It's actually a net, but you do it the same way. So it's not a big deal. So if you look, you have a rectangle, and then you have 4 congruent triangles. Or at least it doesn't say they're not congruent. I hesitate to assume they're congruent, but for this one, it is. So you have a rectangle formula and you have a triangle formula. Make sure that your triangles, you have 4 of them. So this number, whatever you get, triangle.